Here also, come. When I first moved into my apartment, you get, so I came in with this miracle leaf, but the big ones they are dried up. So now it is shooting out the little ones, and I cannot allow it to wait just like that. So this is it, and it's drying up already. So I have my stand here with me. So let's plant this flower together. Okay, let me just keep it here. So this is, I don't have money for flower vase yet, so I'm using this. Oh my god. Praying to God is someday you'll be mine. Wishing on every night. Maybe the way you say my name. Maybe the way you play your game. But it's so good. I've never known anybody like you. But it's so good. I've never known nobody like you. So this is my sand. Oh my god. This is pure loamy soil, and it's very, smelling the soil alone, it is very, this soil or sand, whichever, smelling it alone is very healthy. So I'm going to put in my small miracle leaf. I got this miracle leaf from the place. Oh, she's so beautiful. I got this miracle leaf from the place I was staying before. For the lady that accommodated me, get her neighbor, she has miracle. So in my place, the place I come from, if you want to pick this from your neighbor's place, or if you saw it and you want to pick it and go and grow in your own place, you have to ask for permission. If not, it will not grow. That's what they told me. So I asked the lady for permission before plucking it. So yeah, this is the journey that I'm starting. I love plants a lot, I love flowers a lot, so I'm starting with this. And once I'm done planting it, I will name it. I have a very beautiful name for it. So yeah. So I'm going to pour water on it, right? I don't know, so I'm going to, let me just turn the camera. May you grow. I want you to grow, like grow. When I say grow, you grow. Okay, I think this is okay like this. Then I will not have to bury this one like this. Then give this one space. Give the new one space to grow. Then the second one, let me put it in here. Let me put it here. Okay, I think we're getting to something. Maybe it's the way you say my name. Okay, I think we're done. So this is it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. See how tiny they are, and it should grow very beautiful. Yeah, okay, I think I'm done. So beautiful people, our miracle leaf is ready. So I'm going to be leaving this in one corner of the, maybe over there. I'm going to be leaving it over there. Okay, so I'm naming her. There's a cartoon I watch, I don't know the name again, but there's a cartoon I watch, and I love the way the goddess, she did her thing. Okay, so I'm naming her Selimene. You can go and browse about the name, I won't tell you. So I'm naming her Selimene. I am supposed to name her Lady Mateo as my maybe I can name this, I can name them Lady Mateo. like a strong girl child, because I would really want this miracle leaf to grow, plant to grow. I want them to grow. So let me name her Mattel. Let me name her Mattel. For my name, let's go with Mattel instead of Selemene. Maybe I will get another beautiful plant and name her Selemene. But this one, let me name her Mattel. So yeah, this is Mattel. I'm introducing you to Mattel. So this is Mattel. Nice to meet you all. So we are going to be doing check-ins on these beautiful babies, two babies here. So yeah, see you. I know I'm crazy. Yeah, I know. So bye.